wok is a traditional cooking vessel originating in China. To this day, people use the wok for all sorts of cooking purposes. You can do things such as frying, searing, stewing, poaching, and more. Not only that, but it can be used as a meal serving pan straight from the kitchen. Most pans are made of durable stainless steel. Stay tuned as we bring you the top 5 woks best for you. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay the items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Tasty Carbon Steel Non-Stick Blue Wok with Helper Handle. This wok is ideal for all types of surfaces. It's constructed with carbon-coated steel and a flat base interior for balance and stability while in use. It's intentionally made of carbon steel for its capability to ensure consistent heating. It runs 14 inches in diameter, giving you sufficient space to mix and prepare a one-pan meal for small to large groups. The manufacturer of this wok also assures that the non-stick coating has no chemical compounds included. The chemical known as PFOA is a toxic chemical that can get absorbed into the food and pose a serious danger to our health. To the physical attributes, its silicone handle is extra soft, making it feel more comfortable while you're transferring food or ingredients into it. For a more convenient experience, it's constructed with a helper handle, which is mixed and matched with the silicone handle. It's there for a better grip of the wok. You'll experience the worth of this helper handle when you're doing stir-fry meals. It can be used on any cooking surface such as gas, glass ceramic, or electric. At number 2 is the Lodge Pre-Seasoned 14-inch cast iron wok with flat base and loop handles. This wok is recommended for induction use. It also works great with oven, grill, and other outdoor cooking activities. It's made purely of cast iron and weighs just over 11.8 pounds. Cast iron is known to be great in retaining heat as compared to other metals. So this wok appears to be a perfect piece of equipment to use in everything from vegetable sauté to stir fry. It's crafted with a flat base to make you feel comfortable while using it, minus the hassles of balancing an uneven bottom of a wok from other brands. The cookware has no chemical or synthetic coating content, so you don't have to worry about any serious health issues in using it. This 14-inch wok can serve large groups. The 2 loop handles are your best guide for cooking while providing you a safer meal prep. The Lodge is made in the USA, and the branding boasts of its cast iron made kitchenware for its durability, cooking versatility, and high quality design. This wok is naturally seasoned, and so there's a more natural, convenient way to prepare your family's meals. Oils reach into the iron's pores and prevents rusting while delivering a non-stick cooking surface. The more you use this piece of cookware, you'll notice the seasoning gets even better over time. After use, it's not recommended to use harsh detergents or soaps for cleaning. Instead, use a stiff nylon brush and a pot of hot water for thorough cleaning. In the case of food sticking to the surface, boil water using the wok to remove the excess food residue. Do not clean it with cold water, as it can result in a thermal shock, which could cause the wok to crack. What do you think so far? Well, keep watching because we still have 3 more to go. Before proceeding, we'd like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is the Copper Chef Pro XL Wok Set. This 12-inch, 7-piece wok set is known for its non-stick coating and patented Ceramatech. It assures you with quality workmanship and promises to deliver safe and healthy cooking. This versatile set of kitchen equipment has so many functions. You can use it for steaming, deep fry, and stir fry. The wok set is crafted with high quality materials for an even cooking, heat retention, and easy cleanup. The tedious meal preparation will be just as easy and relaxing with this set, as you no longer need to use different pans for various cooking processes. Use it for frying, boiling, sauce making, and more. As compared to the usual wok where heat only penetrates through the bottom, the Copper Chef Pro has an innovative design and is made with stainless steel induction plate. It delivers 360 degrees of heated cooking surface for more even cooking. The Ceramtech technology allows you to make large meals without the use of butter or cooking oil. Burnt cheese can just be peeled away in cleaning. It's dishwasher safe and will ensure your family gets safely cooked foods and healthy meals all at once. The package includes a roast and steam rack, tempered glass lid, Copper Chef Pro wok, fry basket, 2 silicone handle covers, and of course the ultimate wok recipe book. We always want to know what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our final 2 products. At number 4, we have the GreenPan Paris Pro 12.5-inch ceramic non-stick wok. Achieve class with convenience with this non-stick wok. It's the perfect gift for your loved ones who are into cooking. It's 3.5 inches deep and 8 inches wide. To deliver even heat conduction, it's intentionally crafted with anodized aluminum. It's also armed with a matte dishwasher-safe coating. Its handles are made of stainless steel, ensuring a strong grip. You can also use it in an oven. This brand is the pioneer in ceramic non-stick pans. It has no toxic chemical content or other pollutants that could harm your health. If the pan overheats, the pan's coat will not peel, blister, or release any harmful fumes. This brand also boasts that it's coated with the advanced grade Thermalon, making it utensil safe for your kitchen. It delivers crispy fried meals from low to medium heat, and it can also be used as a broiler for up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning up will be easy as it's dishwasher safe. It also has high scratch resistance to keep that look neat and elegant for an extended period. To clean it, simply rinse with soap and water and wipe clean with a soft cloth. Finally, at number 5, we have the IMUSA GKG 611021 light cast iron pre-seasoned wok with wood handle 14 inches. This wok in red finish depicts a traditional wok style. It has a flat bottom and high walls, which show off the classic design. It's recommended for everyday cooking thanks to its versatility. You can use it for searing, poaching, stewing, braising, deep fry, and stir fry. You can use it for fish, meat, vegetables, and even rice with a high amount of heat and less oil. It's pre-seasoned with soybean oil and heats quickly and evenly. This wok is not only perfect for cooking, but you can also use it to serve meals to your guests. With its embodied classic design, your family or guests will surely appreciate its beauty. Don't worry about whether or not it'll wear out. It's made of cast iron, which makes it easier to use. Compared to other cast iron woks, IMUSA weighs lighter. It boasts the fact that this wok is developed by the Chinese for more than 2,000 years, making it durable and ideal for making healthy dishes. And there you have it, the top 5 woks available on the market. Whichever one you choose to get based on your standards, we hope you found it in this list. If you found the one that passed your preferences, check out the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Write down your comments and suggestions, and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay tuned with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. And to become part of our growing community, click the subscribe button. Doing so will give you the chance to see even more of our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.